Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuz by Reggie. Real quick, right? This video won't be long. I say that every time. Matter of fact, this is gonna be my last video saying this video won't be long. Probably not. But this is just gonna be a quick video of my station setup. I've had people DM me and they ask me what are my main clippers, because I use so many clippers based off of what I buy, just because I like to try new clippers. So people have asked me what are my main clippers. So we're gonna kind of show my station setup. It's kind of a mess, but believe me, it's not a mess. Everything is where it's supposed to be. I just have a lot of stuff sometimes, right? But before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. You can also dislike the video, all right? Comment, subscribe, share the video. Stay engaged, holla at your boy. Holla at, all right. Let's get to the station. Boom. All right, so here's my station. First off, a little messy up here, but business cards, my wall shaver should be here. Business cards, of course, for new clients coming in. These are the fibers that I use. Some of them that's Elegance hair fibers, blah, blah, blah. So here's my miscellaneous thing. These are my tools and peppermints, but these are my tools, screwdrivers, things of that nature. Babyliss screwdriver, all my extra stuff, right? Here we got, these are dirty combs and brushes that needs to be cleaned out. So when I get done with them, I like to use these when I'm fading and tapering. See how dirty that is? I like to use these when I'm fading and tapering. So they small, so they get dirty quick, all right? So we'll throw them in there. At the end of the week, we come back, clean them out, all right? Extra blade holder, some razors. These are just big boy combs. My beard combs, my combs for clipper over comb, and all that good stuff. All right, and this is the top of my station. I know it's a little bunched up, but nothing's out of place. These are my JRL guards. These are my favorite guards besides the Wall Premium. If your clippers take these, I'm gonna use them. All right, neck strips, alcohol, water bottle. Gotta have a water bottle. I know a lot of people say you might not need that. You need a water bottle. All right. My liquid razor, this is my razor edge for my lining and spray. These are all my just extras, all right? Spray and shave, this is the aftershave. And here we have the spray and shave gel. Y'all gotta make sure y'all try that. Y'all have to go to Spray and Shave and get y'all some. That's some of the best. It got cannabis oil in it. This is my, this is for curling up. That's from Hunter Barber. I got a few products from Hunter Barber. You gotta make sure you try out the formula. That's his brand. I'm telling you, this is just a bunch of randomness up here. I got 2 neck dusters. This is for dusting off my chair, dusting off my client's clothes when they get up. So this is not for like the client's face and all that good stuff. This is the one I use when I'm just cutting and wiping off the client, all right? Got some color. We're gonna get to the clippers in a second. Got some color, got some Tomb 45. This is where I keep my shears, my extra clips for the hair. I got my pencils, the Cape clips. Just combs, pick. When they cleaned it out the barber side, we move them over here. I know I can use them, all right? This here is 3 of my newest additions. This is just a new magic clip. I like to buy magic clips, so I got me a new one. And I got to try it out on the Wall Dock, all right? Of course, y'all know this is the T Outliner, the GTX that everybody's been on, and this is the Mythic. You seen my last video, you see my review of the Mythic. This is one of the best clippers out, in my opinion. You can't lose with it, especially for fading. That's the best clipper out. And when we come down here, if I get the drawer open, these are my mains, all right? Got my magic clip, my black and gold magic clip, 2 T Outliners. This is for my kids, and this is for, this is a little bit zero gap. This is closer, all right? You got the Babyliss. Of course, you can't go wrong with the Babyliss FXs. I had to actually learn to like this trimmer. I actually dogged this trimmer at first. When it fresh out the box, I didn't like it. Trying to zero gap it would get too sharp. I just couldn't get it the way I wanted. I got it now. Love it, all right? 2 2 new brushes that came in. I like black and gold, so y'all will see a lot of black and gold. You see my crown logo, black and gold. So yeah, that's my color. Wall guards. This is for the color. You gotta have the Shine Cuts Hair Tomb 45, the color card. That's awesome to have. This here is some little extra brushes. These brushes are back here just because a few of them got my logo on it. When I first started cutting hair, it didn't even have the part in it. This is my very first logo. The same thing. Now if you see it, it just got the part added to it, the Nas curve. So these are brushes that I got when I was new into barbering. I don't use these. These are just here. I love them. So they're gonna always stay. That's my good love. Then over here is my extras, right? See my review. This, I'm telling you, G5 Barber. You need this. A lot of people are like, do you have this at your state? Boom, right there. When you ready to clean up, boom. It's blowing everything. It's blowing everything. Gotta have 2-speed blower, my JRL blow dryer, my fan because it gets hot. This is my compressor that I use for coloring. I don't use the cordless. I tried the cordless. I just rather have this, plug it up. I ain't gotta worry about nothing. My drawer, more miscellaneous stuff. Sponges. Need your medicine. You never know when you just need something real quick. I'm telling you, you gotta have certain medicine, all right? These are my extras like barber pencils and brushes and all that good stuff. This next drawer, don't judge me. Don't judge me, right? It's just extras. I'm talking about extra guards. All the guards, my Stylecraft, but I'm telling you, look, it's all guards. Guards and cords that don't plug into anything. Or they might, that's why they there. This is just, I stuff everything in here. If I ever need a half guard or 1.5, it's gonna be in here, all right? This is my third party. This is the Wahl official charging dock. This is the first one that I had from a third party company from China. It took me about a month to get this in when I ordered it. But shout out to Wahl because now I don't have to worry about that. And then down here we just have a few extra clippers it's usually full, but I like to take stuff home. Then over here, this is my own brand. This is my beard product, wave product, and then I also sell the spray and shaving gel. And we got my ring light. So that's the station. So if you asking me what clippers I use, Magic Clips, T-Outlines, them the two that I say everybody should have. If you asking me my opinion on what clipper to get, especially if you're starting off, these are corded, of course, so they're cheaper. They're like $68. And then the Wahl Magic Clips is like $85 on Atlanta One. All right. But these two right here, this Mythic and this GTX, this cordless GTX, woo! I'm telling you, it's taking over. They taking over. So that's the station. All that stuffed in there. Nothing special, nothing fancy. And what do I do with all my other clippers that I don't use anymore since I use so many? They just at home in a box. I used to think of selling them, but I just don't like parting with all my clippers, man. I've sold a few. I sold my cordless masters, not the gold ones. I still got the gold ones, but I sold my cordless masters. And then I sold one set of my X Ergos. I still got some though, so it's all good. So yeah, but I do giveaways too, which reminds me. Once I get the 5,000 subscribers, I did a giveaway at what I do at 500, and then 1,000, or did I do 1,000 and 2,000? I don't know, but I did 2 giveaways already. Once I get the 5,000 subscribers, oh, the giveaway is gonna be, I'm talking about, we're gonna be in there. I'm far away from that now, so you ain't gotta worry about it. But once I do get 5,000 subscribers, it's gonna be a good giveaway, all right? Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, dislike the videos. It's all up to you. You are your own human being, all right? Cuz by Reggie, we out. Peace.